Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get blue skin in Heartopia. So it is called the Frostpore Infection. Basically, you want to wear little to no clothing. Well, you can't wear, you still have undergarments under this, but just wear little clothing and basically go to the Winter Utopia section, and you're just going to walk here until you see there's this green snowflake. It says birds cold, feels like I might catch the Frostpore infection. Basically, you need to stay here for 1 minute for 6 days. So 1 minute today, 1 minute the next day. You know what I mean. And it says your skin will turn blue. So yeah, I will upload this first just in case you guys want to try it, but I will be back in 6 days with the results if it does work or not. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.